Okay, we have a feeler, second operation lathe, model FTS27, serial number 90005TS077. Machine was new in 1990. We're going to run it for you. Machine has a built-in 5C collet closer. You have a cross slide, and you have a 6-position bed turret, indexable. Machine is variable speed up to from 230 up to 3,500 RPM. Right now, we're running it forward. Is varying the speed. Brake and reverse. And high speed. Yep, high range. Okay. Yep. Forward, reverse, high and low. Also, we have some extra collets inside. There's some turret tools for the turret. Yep. You also have on the cross slide, you have a tool holder and a block. And hey, thanks for watching our video.